สบายดีทุกคนยินดีต้อนรับสู่การเรียนภาษาอังกฤษกับครูบาสินพรมื้อนี้พวกเราจะมาเรียนในหัวข้อบทสนทนาภาษาอังกฤษทั่วไปแบบง่ายๆต่อไปเรามาเริ่มเรียนกันเลย Hello, how are you doing today? I'm doing well, thanks. And how about you? I'm okay. How is the weather in your province? The weather in my province is well and it is cool. Wow, very interesting. What is your province? My province is Hua Do you know? Oh, I know. Over here in your province is it cold when to the winter? Yes, it is so cold. How about your province? For my province it is very hot. Yeah, thanks of yourselves. Okay, thank you. Where do you live now? I live in Panom village and you? I live in Songkhla village. Oh really? What districts do you live? Sure, I live in Hua Mueang district. Who do you live with there? I live with my parents and you? I live with my family. Are you a student? Yes, I am. And you? The same, you too. Where do you study? I study at Him Secondary School. How many people are there in your family? There are 10 people in my family. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to watching television and I also like playing playing basketball. Do you like to study English? Yes, I do. Why should you study English? Because English is the most important language. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak a little English. Do you have any dog? Yes, I have 2 dogs. Are you going to school today? No, I'm not. I'm going to help my parents work. How do you travel to school? I travel to school by motorbike. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Mr. Suk. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is cucumber and lemon and melon. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is meat and vegetable soup. Do you usually do your homework? Yes, I always do my homework after go to bed. Which place do you want to visit in Laos? I want to visit Luang Prabang and Vang Vieng. Tell me about special yourself. I am friendly, I am honest, and I am a good student. Why you like to study English? Because English is the most important language. What would you like to be in your future? I think I would like to be a teacher. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 9th of May in 2000. Okay, thank you for your information. Of course, always you're welcome. I have to go now. See you later, okay? Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye bye. จบแล้วเด้อสำหรับการเรียนภาษาอังกฤษกับครูบาสิงห์พรในมื้อนี้อย่าลืมกดไลค์กด Subscribe กดติดตามเพื่อจะได้บ่พลาดในวิดีโอใหม่ๆเราจะได้เรียนบทสนทนาใหม่ในวิดีโอหน้าขอบใจหลายๆสบายดี